All right, so I added my Skippy peanut butter to my whipped cream cheese, and we are gonna go ahead and give this a good mix in our bowl. All right, once we get all of that out, we're gonna just mix this together until it is well combined. If you are a peanut butter lover like me, this is the dessert for you. It is so delicious, so easy, and just decadent. Okay, let's make sure these are well mixed. We don't want any kind of marbling. We want these fully blended together. I used half a jar of this peanut butter right here and the full 16 ounces of cream cheese whipped. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible?
It smells amazing and it looks so creamy and decadent.
Yeah. Now you could add a little condensed milk to this or a little bit of vanilla extract, but I think I'm gonna keep it as is, keep it simple and delicious. All right, that looks just about right. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and bring in our 13 by 9. Now before we add our peanut butter mixture to that, I'm gonna grab some graham cracker crumbs. You can obviously make your own, but I just like how easy this is. And we are gonna add about 1.5 cups of our graham cracker crumbs to our pan. Add more if needed, and then 1 stick of melted butter. And we are gonna create a little crust in our 13 by 9. Grab another spatula, mix those two together until you have a nice graham cracker crumb crust on the bottom of your 13 by 9. Is flattened out in our 13 by 9. It is time to add that delicious peanut butter cream cheese mixture right on top. We're just gonna kind of do little scoops here and there. That will ensure that we don't rip up our graham cracker crust that we just laid out so beautifully. Look how good this is gonna be. Oh my goodness. Now if you like Reese's cups, you will definitely like this because it's kind of a play off of a Reese's cup, but a full no-bake dessert, our favorite kind of desserts, perfect for end of the summer kind of treat or party, just like this.
I wonder if people pronounce it Reese's or Reese's.
I don't know, which one did I just say?
Reese's.
Okay, now we are just gonna kind of flatten these down until we have a nice layer. All right, now that we have that peanut butter layer spread out as best as we can, we are gonna put that to the side and bring in a bowl and a whisk. And in that bowl, we are gonna add our chocolate fudge instant chocolate pudding. And we are gonna add 3 cups of cold milk into our pudding mixture. Perfect. And then we are gonna whisk that together until it is well combined. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. We are adding our chocolate layer to our delicious no-bake. You can use the cook and serve pudding if that's what you prefer, or just the regular chocolate pudding, but I just think chocolate fudge is extra chocolatey and extra delicious for this dessert. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look incredible?
Yeah, look, it's already thickening up.
Delicious.
It smells like a candy store.
Yeah. Now before this thickens up, we're gonna bring back our mixture. And we're just gonna pour this right on top. And it will just spread edge to edge on its own. Beautiful pudding layer. Now before we do the last layer, I am just gonna put this in the fridge for 5 minutes to let that pudding set. All right, it is time for our last layer, which is gonna be Cool Whip. Oh my goodness, obviously you can make homemade whipped cream if you don't like Cool Whip, but I wanted to keep this super easy, so that's why I decided to use the Cool Whip. And just like we did with that peanut butter layer, we're just gonna kind of do scoops so that we don't ruin the layer beneath it. But we're gonna use this whole 8-ounce container of Cool Whip right on top for a beautiful, fluffy, and light layer in our delicious peanut butter no-bake dessert. Oh my goodness. All right, and we are just gonna use our spatula and kind of just smooth that out until it is nice and smooth. All right, that looks absolutely flawless. it is time for some toppings. These are the Reese's Minis unwrapped, and we're just gonna do a few here and there. These are optional, obviously. It's more for decoration than for anything else. And then I'm also gonna come in with the Reese's Pieces. Oh yeah. And this will just add some nice color.
I love Reese's Pieces.
Yeah. Woo! Doesn't that look delicious?
It looks like I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
All right, it's time to serve it up. Oh my goodness, I cannot contain my excitement any longer. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Now, if you want it to completely set, you can put it in the freezer for like an hour, but I think we're just gonna go for it, right, babe?
Yeah, I think we just go for it. I'm excited.
Oh my goodness, looks so good. Okay, put it right here and just, oh yeah. You can't even see the layers because of that Cool Whip, but they're in there.
Well, I want to see them when you cut it.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. That looks so good.